If you're looking for a quick and effective way to use top echelon search filters for candidates, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk through how to make the most of this powerful tool and get the best results for your recruitment efforts. Top echelon's search filters give you the ability to narrow down your candidate search with precision. Whether you're looking for specific skills, experience levels, or geographic locations, this feature saves you time and improves your results. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll notice is the search bar at the top. Here, you can type in specific keywords like job titles or skills. But what makes Top Echelon stand out is its ability to refine that search using the filters on the left-hand side of the screen. These filters allow you to focus on exactly what matters. For example, you can filter candidates by location. If you're looking for candidates in a specific city or state, just select that option and the software will narrow your search to that region. It's an easy way to ensure you're finding candidates who are both qualified and located where you need them. Another key feature is the experience level filter. Whether you're searching for entry-level candidates or seasoned professionals, this filter helps you refine your search by experience. Select from options like entry-level, mid-career, or senior level to get the right match for your needs. Top Echelon also allows you to filter by industry and specific job titles, giving you an even more tailored search experience. If you're looking for candidates with specific roles or expertise, this is a great way to narrow down your options quickly. The keyword filter is a powerful tool as well. If you're looking for someone with a very specific skill set, use the keyword filter to type in terms like Java, Project Manager, or Salesforce, and the platform will find candidates who list those skills in their profiles. You can combine this with location and experience filters to get even more precise results. Another great feature of Top Echelon's filters is the ability to sort by active candidates versus passive ones. Active candidates are those currently looking for a job, while passive candidates might not be actively seeking but could be a perfect fit for your search. This filter lets you target both groups depending on your recruitment strategy. And if you want to save time, Top Echelon also allows you to save your search filters. So, once you've customized the filters to your liking, you can save them for future searches and keep things efficient. Don't forget, you can also use the advanced search function, which allows you to apply multiple filters at once for a hyper-targeted search. This is particularly useful if you're looking for candidates who meet very specific criteria. By using these search filters effectively, you'll save time and find the right candidates much faster. But here's the best part. You can start using Top Echelon search filters completely for free through the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better. So if you're new to the software, don't miss out on this opportunity. To recap, using Top Echelon search filters for candidates is all about refining your search based on location, experience, industry keywords, and whether candidates are active or passive. With these features, you'll quickly find exactly what you need to fill those positions with top talent. Before we wrap up, remember to click the first link below for an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses. Don't miss this chance to explore all the features and get started with Top Echelon today. Happy recruiting!